Today you will learn how to take your cartoon characters and post your very first animated video online, ready for views, likes and even monetization. Now step one, you pick the platform where you want to post. It can be TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook. So you can post your content any of those social media platform. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to upload your video the right way on TikTok. So let's dive into the video. So we are using the TikTok now. So you click at the TikTok. So now this is our TikTok. In this TikTok, we are going to upload our animated character. In this TikTok, we have the home, we have the friends, we have the plus icon, which is for here you can upload your video. We have the inbox, we have the profile. Okay, now let's upload our video. So you click at the plus icon. Then you click at this place. Then the next thing is to locate where you store your video. So you click at the video. You click next.
No, sir. I am a man of integrity. No, sir.
So
I
you
am a
also click.
man of
You
integrity.
want to add anything, you can just come here.
No, sir.
You can just
I
add.
am a
Look at this
man
step.
of integrity.
You want to add.
No, sir. I am a man of integrity.
You can just add one or two things here.
No, sir. I am a man of integrity. I'm a man of integrity. Integrity.
Now, what are you going to do now? You see this place, the right edit cover. If you want to change the, maybe you don't like, you can just click it and you change. They have so many, like the thumbnail, the one that will make people to want to watch your video. So let's start with the first one. Just continue checking it. Look for the one that has action. The one that has action, so that people will view it. I think this one have. Let's use this one. So you click save. Okay, so your tag must not be more than 5. So let's just, we have okay, Nigerian politics, trending Nigerian, Abuja. Okay, all these things will make your what, will make people to what, to, it will make you to get more views. It will make your video to what, to go viral. So let's just remove one thing and add like viral. You add viral video, or you add trending. Okay, or you add FYP. Okay, this is enough. FYP. Okay, so we add FYP. Then when you add your title, your description, and your what? Your hashtag. So you look at this location. You click at location. This is where you now, yes, confirm. I mean continue. You now type FYP. Once you put FYP, you click it. You can see FYP. TikTok algorithm will show your video to what? To to for you page. At least they will put your video on for you page. Now you now come to where they say everyone can. You click at it. Make sure it is on everyone. If you put it on friends or only you, nobody will view it. Nobody will want to view it. You will not get views. So you have to put it on everyone so that you get views. Okay. Now we now come down here. You see where they write more options. You click at it. You scroll down. You click at allow high quality upload. So once you are done, you click post. So this is how to upload video on your TikTok.